Okay, so in previous video actually atomic structure completed with some questions, previous MSET questions also. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the stoichiometry chapter. Okay, ma? So the stoichiometry also important for MSET classes. Okay, MSET exam. Okay, see here in this stoichiometry, so mainly, so this mole concept is important for competitive exam. Okay, so actually mole means you have to understand simply the amount of substance that contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules or chemical units is called simply mole. Okay, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is the Avogadro's constant. Okay, so generally Avogadro number, generally indicates with Na or N. So the value of Avogadro's number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, so then by using these formulas, so to solve some questions, okay, what are the important formulas here? So see, number of moles is equal to given weight of the substance by molecular weight of the substance. So this is the basic formula to calculate what here? Mole, number of moles. So number of moles is equal to given weight of the substance by molecular weight of the substance. Okay, generally this number of moles indicates with what? N, and weight of the substance indicates with the W. Gram molecular weight simply we can write CMW. Okay, so next actually, so this is the basic concept you have to remember. So what is that? 1 mole of substance, 1 mole of any molecule or any compound to take, that is equal to what? It's gram molecular weight. So means gram molecular weight of the substance, that is equal to what? Avogadro number of molecules. Means 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules, and at STP, so 1 mole of any gas, you have to remember, occupies 22.4 liters of volume. Okay, generally liter is the what, unit for volume. At which condition? STP. S means standard, T means temperature and pressure. Generally standard temperature is 273 Kelvin temperature, pressure is 1 atmosphere. Okay, 22.4 liters are 22,400 milliliters. In milliliters, what is the value? 22,400. So, by using this also we can solve easily. Okay, what is that? 1 mole of any substance is equal gram molecular weight of substance, that is equal to Avogadro number of molecules is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. Only at STP condition. Okay, so by using, so means for calculation, actually by using this formula to calculate only number of moles. So by using this what here, number of molecules, volume of gas directly. So you have to remember this equation. By knowing these formulas, simply we can solve directly. Okay, what is that? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles of given substance into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Here 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is what? Avogadro's constant. Okay, see here. Generally this indicates with Na. So this is what? Generally this is called Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's number or constant. That is equal to how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Okay. So next one is what here? By using this we can directly calculate what? Number of molecules. And next, volume of gas is equal to what? Number of moles into 22.4 liters at which condition here? STP. Which condition? STP. Means by using this formula, directly we can calculate what? Volume of a gas. Okay. So these are the formulas about what problems based on mole concept. Only by using these formulas we can solve. Okay, ma? Okay, ma. So we can do some problems about what a mole concept here. See here, first question. So what is the question here? The number of moles in 17 grams of ammonia is. So means we have to calculate what here? Number of moles. Okay. So for this formula is what basically number of moles of any substance is equal to given weight by gram molar mass or gram molecular weight. Same meaning. So gram molar mass. Okay. So that is equal to substitute here. Generally in chemistry, gram molar mass or gram molecular weight of any substance is known from its molecular formula, isn't it? So your given substance is what, ammonia. Okay. So what is the molecular formula of ammonia here? NH3. So we have to calculate first of all gram molecular weight or gram molar mass of ammonia. How? Here how many number of atoms are there? 1. So what is atomic mass of nitrogen? 14 plus, okay, how many atoms of hydrogen there? So 3. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 14 plus 3, how much? 17 grams is the what here? Molar mass or molecular weight of the water ammonia. Okay. So in the problem what? Weight of, so ammonia given. Here weight molecular weight is same, isn't it? So don't confuse here. Weight of given weight in problem how much? 17 by, so gram molecular weight of ammonia is how much? 17. Okay. 17 by 17 is equal to 1 mole. So how many moles ammonia? Only 1 mole. So which option is correct option here? Third option is correct option. So isn't it? 3 is the 1. Okay. This is one question based on mole concept. And see next question. Here the number of molecules of CO2 in 4.4 grams. The gas at the STP. Okay. So we have to calculate what number of molecules here. Not moles. We have to calculate moles, molecules different. So number of, we have to calculate what number of molecules of CO2 in 4.4 grams. Okay. So for this simple formula is what here for calculation of this. Formula is number of molecules. Number of molecules is equal to, so number of moles into Avogadro's number. Okay, isn't it? Here number of moles means again what here simply same. Given weight by gram molar mass or gram molecular weight of the substance. Okay, so see here. In the problem given substance is what? Carbon dioxide. Isn't it? So, weight of carbon dioxide given in the problem. How much? 4.4 grams. So, substitute here in this formula to get what here? Number of molecules. C, weight given in the problem how much? About 4.4 by. So, gram molecular weight of CO2. How we calculate here from its molecular formula, isn't it? So here how many carbons are there? 1. Atomic mass is 12 plus number of oxygens are 2 here, isn't it? From molecular formula. What is atomic mass of oxygen? 16. Okay, how much we get here? 12 plus 32. How much, 44 grams. So 44 grams is the gram molecular weight of CO2. So substitute here 44 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, isn't it? So your point cancel to get 0 here. So what we get here? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 means what? 10 to the power of minus 3. 1 by 10 we can write in the form of what? 10 to the power of minus 1, isn't it? So means here bases are same. To add what? Powers. How much we get here? Plus 23 minus 1 is equal to 22. So 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22 molecules. Okay, so this is the answer. What is the answer? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22 molecules. This one. Okay, so which one is the correct option? Fourth one. So fourth given. So what is that? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 22 molecules. So this is the one more question based on what? Mole concept. So by using this formula directly we can calculate what here? Number of molecules. Okay, of the given substance. Okay, Amma? Okay, ma. So next topic in this chapter what? Equivalent weight. Okay, molecular weight is different from equivalent weight. So generally here equivalent weight means you have to understand. So the weight of substance is combines with 1.008 grams of hydrogen or 8 grams of oxygen or 35.5 grams of water. So here chlorine. Okay. So that sorry. So is called what here? Is called equivalent weight. Okay. So by using these formulas to calculate what equivalent weight of substance by knowing hydrogen mass or oxygen weight and chlorine weight. So these are the basic formulas to calculate what equivalent weight of the substance. What is that? Remaining so many formulas are there for calculation of equivalent weight, but among them these are the basics. See here, equivalent weight of substance is equal to weight of substance by given weight of substance by weight of hydrogen into 1.008. Then equivalent weight of substance is equal to with respect to what here? Oxygen. Here hydrogen, this is oxygen, this is with respect to chlorine. Okay. Weight of substance by weight of oxygen into 8. And equivalent weight of substance is equal weight of substance by weight of chlorine into 35.5. Okay. So this by using this we can calculate equivalent weight of the substance. Okay. Okay, ma. So we can do some problem about calculation of what equivalent weight of substance. See here, if 0.5 grams of metal. So in this part here, weight of metal given on oxidation formed what 0.79 grams of its oxide. So means this 0.79 grams is not weight of oxygen only. It contains metal also. Okay. Then equivalent we have to calculate what equivalent weight of the metal. So to calculate what equivalent weight of the metal. Okay. So what is the formula here? Solution C. Equivalent weight of the metal is equal to what here? Weight of metal. Weight of metal given directly ma. Weight of metal. But in this what? Metal oxide. So to calculate what? With respect to oxygen. So by weight of oxygen. From the problem you have to understand what are given first of all. Into what here with respect to oxygen. So that into 8. So we know the weight of metal directly but not known the weight of oxygen. So how we can calculate here? Weight of, okay, sorry. So weight of oxygen is equal to what here? Mixture given. How much? 0.79. In this, how much grams of metal is present? 0.5, isn't it? From the problem to know. So what we get here? 0.79 to 0.05. So 474. How much? 0.74. So weight of metal 0.5 by 0.74 into 8. So 2 zeros, 0.10 cancel. So 400, isn't it? By 58 is by 74, isn't it? How much here? 5 is 74. 370, no. So here 74 Okay, actually here 0.5 means 0.79 weight of oxygen. 0.09514. Okay, so after calculation you will get here 14. So 74, 14. Okay, my a small mistake is there. Actually a 0.0 not 0.5, isn't it? So weight of oxygen is equal, isn't it? Here see 0.79 minus 0.5, not 0.05, isn't it? So subtraction. So what we get here 9 2 0.29. Okay. So here subtraction is somewhat there. Mistake. So see. Then substitute here. Weight of metal how much? 0.5 by. So oxygen 0.29 here, isn't it? 0.29 grams into 8. Okay, point cancel. 2 zeros, 1 zero cancel. Okay, so 400 by 29. So 13.9. So after calculation you will get 13.9. So nearly how much, Amma? 14. Okay, which one is the correct option? This one. Okay, so means by using this formula to calculate the what here? Equivalent weight of given substances. Okay, ma. So this is about one model question on calculation of what? Equivalent weights of substance. Okay, so we have many equivalent weight means what? Generally in our chemistry we have different types of compounds, na? So what are they? Mainly acids, bases, salts, oxidants and reductants. So then we are going to discuss about how to calculate the equivalent weights of what different acids, bases, salts and reductants. See here. Okay, ma. So next equivalent calculation of what? Equivalent weight of atom is equal to gram atomic weight by valency. Okay. So valency means what? Generally the combining capacity of an atom. It's equal to its group number. Okay. Next one. Equivalent weight of an acid is equal to molecular weight of an acid by basicity. Here basicity means the number of hydrogens present in an acid which are replaceable with water. So metals called basicity. Okay, for example, you take here H3PO3. So what is the name of H3PO3? Phosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid. So then to calculate what equivalent weight of this H3PO3? How? See here, molecular weight of H3PO3 by basicity. So here actually to observe the formula, this H3PO3 contains how many hydrogens? 3. But here the basicity of what? Phosphorus acid is 2 only, not 3. Why? Because see here OH, OH, H. So this is the structure of what? H3PO3. See here, these two hydrogens are, so what? Bonded with phosphorus. Central atom is phosphorus. So bonded with through what? Oxygen. So and this hydrogen atom is what? Directly. Okay. So see here, these two, only these two hydrogens are replaceable with metals. So that basicity is what, Amma? 2. So here molecular weight is known from what? Its molecular formula. How much? 88 by 2 is equal to 44 grams is the equivalent weight of phosphorus acid. Okay, ma. So we will continue in the next video. Okay, ma. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to Sri Vidya Tutorials. Okay, ma. Thank you.